Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to derive the sum of the arithmetic series, right? The formula of the arithmetic sum is represented as following. Sn is equivalent to n divided by 2, open bracket, a plus l, right? Now, on our lesson, today we are going to learn how to derive this formula, right? Before we proceed forward, I need to give you guys the meaning of all the variables within this formula. We have n, which represent the number of terms, right? We have a, which represent the first term, right? We have l, which represent our last term, right? However, this l is also denoted by Tn is equivalent to a plus, open brackets, n minus 1, close brackets, d. Right? And now, for us to find this, to derive this, we need to have two equations. We need to use the variables to, all the variables present in this formula to derive this equation. Right? Now, let's just say let's say we're given, okay, now we are deriving, né? We have Sn is equivalent to a plus, I will explain everything to you guys, plus a plus d, close brackets, plus a plus 2d. And then we have L minus 2D plus we have L minus D plus L. This is our equation 1, right? Now, for us to have an equation 2, we need to start from the last term to the first term. Okay, we have Sn equivalent to L plus L minus D, sorry about that, plus L minus 2D, close brackets, plus A plus 2D plus A plus D plus A. This is our equation 2, right? Now, for us to, now what we need to do here, we need to add these two equations, right? If we add equation 1, we add it with equation what? Equation 2. What we're gonna have? We're gonna have, on this side, we're gonna have 2 Sn. Why do we have 2Sn? You know, when you add x plus x, what do you get? You get 2x, right? Now, now that these are variables on their own, you add Sn plus Sn, you're gonna get how many? You're gonna get what? You're gonna get 2Sn, right? Now, here you're gonna get a plus l. You're gonna get a plus l. Here you're gonna, if you add a plus l, you're gonna get a plus l. But then if you add positive d plus negative d, you're going to get what? You're going to get 0, right? Plus, so you're going to get a plus L. You're going to get a plus L. Notice that 2d and 2d will cancel with each other because the formula are opposite. Because the signs are opposite, right? Gonna get L, okay, A plus L. Okay, now remember this is for the nth term. If you can check here, what does n mean? N represents the number of terms, right? How many terms are we given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we were representing this in terms of numbers, we were going to multiply all these terms by 5, right? Now, because we are using the variables, we are going to multiply everything by what? By n. Okay, we're going to have 2Sn is equivalent to n brackets A plus L, right? Now, look here. Why are we multiplying by n? We said this is for the nth term. If we wanted to represent this thing by numbers, as I said, we were going to multiply by 5 since there are 5 terms, right? So, for us to remain with Sn, what do? We're going to divide both sides by what? By 2. If we divide here by 2, we can also divide it by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel with each other. We're going to be remaining with Sn is equivalent to n brackets over 2, open bracket A plus L. Now, I want you guys to notice something. If you can check, we have L is our last term. But then our last term is also denoted by what? By Tn. L is equivalent to A plus n, open brackets n minus 1, close brackets d, right? Then we're going to have n over 2, open brackets A plus A plus open bracket n minus 1, close brackets d, right? Okay, since I don't have enough space here, I will just try to divide this so that it will be able to see. Now we're going to have Sn is equivalent to n over 2, open bracket 2a 2a plus n minus 1, close brackets d. This is the formula of the sum. This is how you find an arithmetic sum, right? Thank you guys.